Greetings ladies and gentlemen, my name is AJ. Welcome to the Rockin' Crystals channel. Today we are learning about Vortexite, its meaning and its spiritual properties, its powers and its benefits. Vortexite is a grounding stone that helps you to stay balanced. It also promotes self-esteem, self-respect, and self-worth, and restores self-confidence, making it easier to accept your true self and set boundaries in your life as they may be needed. Vortexite radiates a comforting and strong vibration, aligning and balancing all chakras and energies of the body, and it is deeply linked to the life force of the earth, generating a fresh charge of energy to the body, mind, and spirit. It is useful for past life reconciling, and emotionally, Vortexite helps to alleviate anxiety, worry, and stress, and facilitate emotional release and balance all emotions. It assists you in calmly dealing with any issues that bring you strength in times of need, and it brings resolution to the past issues that help you to move forward in your life. Vortexite is thought to help strengthen the nervous system, and it's said to activate the body's natural immune response and resistance to disease and illness. It is believed to be excellent for infections, viruses, and rashes, as well as other skin irritations. It is also thought to be helpful in dissolving kidney stones, improving muscle tone, and strengthening your veins. It is connected with the root, sacral, solar, heart, throat, and third eye chakra, as well as the crown. It basically aligns and balances all of the chakras. The astrological signs for Vortexite include Libra and Sagittarius. You can find it in New Zealand, and it was first discovered in New Zealand by one Mr. Peter Marden in just 2014. It is volcanic in origin and was produced millions of years ago from eruptions on New Zealand's North Island. It is rather rare to find, and a combination of rhyolite and deep red quartz. You can carry a piece of Vortexite with you throughout your day, in your purse, in your pocket. It's also a great one to meditate with, and it can help you to balance, charge, and attune to your highest potential. It is an excellent stone for use with energetic tools and meditation. And if you like this video, hit the like button. That will let YouTube know that you want to see more about crystals. And otherwise, see you later. Please check out the link in the description below if you want to support this channel and buy some crystals. Check out the Rockin' Crystals shop. We have some amazing crystals at some amazing prices.